Hi, my name's Trash. Now I've been asked a few times, how do I move my model around? But I'm using OBS to record. And the answer is very simple. This is what my recording looks like, and I simply just cut it. But this is very disorienting to look at. So, I'm gonna go up here and show you my settings. Now if I go over here and go to video, I have it as 3840 by 1080, of which is 1920 and 1920. And then in my editing software, I simply just crop it right in the middle, and I add it right above itself in the timeline. That way all the audio syncs up and the video syncs up. And then I just green screen my model and I move it to where I want it. This also works if you are doing gaming content or really any kind of content as an IRL creator as well. You can have your webcam over here, and oftentimes it's going to be much higher quality, but 1920 by 1080 will work just fine. And then you can make it scaled down anywhere in your footage in editing. Just a little trick that I use. Hopefully you guys found that helpful, and if you're at all interested in seeing more little tips and tricks, feel free to leave a comment, message me on Twitter or anything like that, and I will try to make that video for you. Have a great one, everybody. Bro, I want pizza now. What the fuck? I want the pizza.
No.
With... I don't want pizza with nut.